Thank you for joining me on the Endless Mountain Network. My name is Derek. Today is the 10th of March 2009 and the markets are rallying today. So whether it's the bottom or not, I'm not too sure. However, I did have on my page swing trading on the Dow and gold, and both of them got violated today. Okay, so that doesn't mean that when one switches over, you're going to profit on the other side, because when you switch over from the long to the short, right off the bat, you could get hit with a trap, a bull or a bear trap. The last one, when gold went long, that was hit with a bull trap on gold. And we'll see if this is a bull trap on the stock market. Of course, I am not too sure, but time will only tell. And quite frankly, if I want it to be an intermediate term bottom, and when I say intermediate, a few weeks and hopefully a few months, but the market's not always going to do what you want it to do, but you want to be ready for all situations that could come possible, and at the same time do what you can yourself to manifest what you want to create. And have I manifested a fall in the crash? I don't know, maybe I have, because I have a sign here that says I am a conscious co-creation. It's got a picture of positive energy. It has today is a great day to be alive, and love and gratification. Those are key things for me. And beside it, I have a picture of a double top formation, which in my mind indicates stock markets falling down. So have I manifested it falling down? I've had hundreds of thousands of people see these images. It's probably a little hard for some of you to see on there, but nonetheless, does that even intensify the image situation? I do not know that. I would like to know, but I'm not too sure. However, like I said, I want to make a change. I'm going to take this picture down, and I'm going to take it down in a few moments from now. And I want to change it with something that I want to manifest for myself, because I do want to see the stock market on an intermediate term rally, and then of course sell off after that. Do what stock markets are supposed to do. I myself think it's better for society. In my opinion, I might be right, I might be wrong, but I think it's better if the market and the collapse doesn't happen at least this point of the year. I'd rather happen later this year or into next year. That's what I personally would want to see, this collapse happen. I don't want to see it happen in the spring of 2009. But if it does, like I say, you got to be ready for it, because the market is not going to do what you want all the time. Sometimes it will, but if it doesn't, the key is to be ready for what actually happens. And that's where I'm going. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch the camera, and I have to use a tripod for this, so if the camera shakes, forgive me for that. I have no idea why. It seems when I put it on the tripod, it always shakes on me. But I'll do that, and I'm going to switch that image. Alright, so now what I have here, I have the picture of the creation cycle, and I have this double top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this picture here, and get rid of it. So I'm going to replace it with a new picture of something else at this moment that I would like to consciously co-create at this moment. There it is. This is a picture of a Canadian silver maple leaf. I'm not too sure if you can see it, but it does say silver $1,000 an ounce. This is the image in which I want to portray. Some people said you put like a dollar bill with like $1 million bill, and that's how you manifest yourself attracting the money. I already have silver, but this to me is a way of manifesting a high price of silver. I took the very high reasonable number in $1,000. I mean, I'm not going to say 100,000, but I don't want to say only 100 or 200 either. The higher number that I get, the more powerful the creation I think could possibly get. But this is what I want to manifest now. This would be my new background until there's a need for it to be changed. And until I see the need, I'm going to keep it with this and this as the backgrounds that I have. It doesn't look like the camera is shaking, so maybe the tripod is working now, but for a while it wasn't, and it was kind of annoying me. Maybe I should put an image that the tripod actually isn't shaking and everything is fine, but this is the new image. I If, as far as the stock market's concerned, if I notice the stock market's continuing to fall, then I'll have to possibly make another image to try to make sure that it goes up, or try to make the best that I can. And then if it goes up and it doesn't go down, then I'm going to have to put up another image to bring it back down, because the rally that I want to see would be a short-term rally, as in a few weeks or a few months. That's what I am looking to find as far as the whole ordeal, because I truly do believe that we do need the collapse for a cleansing process. But the fact is, it's a matter of when and not if, and it is needed. I just don't know when it is needed. But right now, silver, $1,000 an ounce, that's where I'm putting my energies on. And if this does work and you watching my videos does help manifest it, then we will be helping manifest making $1,000 an ounce. I highly recommend yourself, if you are looking to make any creations or manifestations, that vision boards do a great job as far as creating what it is you want to create. Thank you for watching this video, and have yourself a magnificent day, everyone. Bye-bye.